Hello, welcome to WP Shorts. In this series, we will do some interesting things that are short but very interesting. And the first thing that we will do today is adding an extra column to this WordPress table. Okay, have you ever wondered how you can modify this table? We will do it right now. Okay, so let's get started. It is a best, it is the best practice to create a plugin for these kind of modifications. So that is why I have created a very simple plugin which is called Edit Admin Columns. And in this plugin, we will add the code that will help us to modify the admin table. Okay, so to add an extra column to the admin table in WordPress, you can use the manage, edit, post type columns filter hook. Okay, so filter hook is manage underscore edit hyphen then the name of the post type underscore columns. Okay, so this is the filter hook provided by WordPress. If you want to modify the post table which is right here, then we will have to use it like this: manage, edit, post columns. If you want to modify the page column, the hook will be manage, edit, page columns. Okay, so in this way you can modify the table of any custom post type as well, right? So let's use this in an example. We will create an extra column to this table and its name will be let's say it's the extra column. Okay, so let's write the code. We will add filter and then the name of this hook in the form of a string and then the callback function. So the callback function, let's name it as add extra column to admin table. Okay, so this is the callback. Let's create a function and it will receive one argument which is columns, which will be an array. So this is the code. Let's run it. There will be no extra column but an error because this is the filter hook and it should return columns array. So if we refresh, the result will be the same as before. See, okay, so we will modify this columns array and we want to add an extra column. So let's say columns, we are adding an extra column. Let's say it is extra column and its name that will be displayed is extra column. Okay, so let's refresh. You will see an extra column will be added right at the end. Okay, so this is the way to add an extra column, but how do you add the content for this extra column? For this purpose we have another hook and the hook is manage underscore post type and then posts column. Okay, so this is the hook that we will use in order to add the content for a particular column. Okay, so for editing the post table, this hook will become post. So let's add it. This is also this is an action hook. So let's do it like this: add action and then copy this name and in the callback we will do add content to extra column, and then the default values are like this. Let's write the function, the callback function. It will receive two arguments. The first one will be the column name and the second one will be the post id. Okay, so this post id is the id of the post or id of the row. Okay, and the column name, it will be this one that we will be targeting right now. So let's say if column name is equal to extra column, then we will echo extra column content. Simple. So let's refresh. You will see extra column content right here. Let's refresh. Oh no, there is a problem. Let me check. Manage post column. Let's try this. This is not doing anything. Manage post column. Oh, okay, so this is not column, this is custom column. So this is actually custom. And now if we refresh, let's remove this line. Now if we refresh, you will see the extra column content. Perfect. Okay, so I hope you like this video. We will do some more interesting things in this series, like modifying this content, removing an extra column, removing an existing column, or changing the content of an existing column. Okay, so stay tuned. We will come back soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.